Hey Carlos, thanks for getting back. So what I noticed right off the bat with your site, it's you guys do antimicrobial tech. Um, there's no proper header, subheader, or VSL. So I see you guys are preferred partner, but it would be much better if you had a header stating like what is the product, what is the main umbrella product, and how does it help people in the subheader, how it helps people, and a proper video. So your site would benefit big time with a video, a VSL. That would just increase way more credibility, authority, and trust. This text sizing is really big. I would reduce that a bit. Actually, it's pretty jarring. I saw you had some animations here was a bit much. Having I would word this in a way where it's more benefit focused, and I would have it where the legibility is more going in a row fashion because this readability is not optimized honestly. And then this stuff could be good for the features. I see though you're missing, yeah, the CTA. I don't even see a CTA until down here, view industry. So are you trying to get people to book a call, buy your product? So you need a CTA up in the header. That's going to really help the conversions a lot. And then I see that's missing social proof and a fax. So the websites that convert the most by far are the ones that have clear CTA and social proof, a lot of social proof. So that's probably the biggest thing I would add as well is a social proof and adding a fact. But yeah, I'd say really adding a proper benefit section, video, and more social proof. But yeah, happy to discuss more. I think we can really get this looking a lot cleaner and more optimized and just increase those conversions. I'm happy to discuss more. Let me know please if you're available today or tomorrow. I think you're on EST, right? If you can do afternoon, let's say around 3 or 4 p.m. EST. Let me know please and have a great day.